Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2, that is your plants. In this chapter, we study that how plants prepare their food, how they disperse their seed, and how they reproduce. So, students, we all know that all the living things, all the living organisms need food for their survival. Same, the plants also need the food for their survival. So today we discuss that how these plants prepare their food. So students, if you see structure of a plant, these are the leaves, these are the roots, this is the flower, this is the stem. So the main role in the production of food is played by the leaves or the green leaves. Okay. So next question arises that why the color of the leaves are green. Why green? Because there is a pigment or substance present that is called as chlorophyll. So due to this pigment in the leaves, their color is green. So leaves are called as the food factory of the plants. So students, the process by which green plant prepare their own food is called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. If we see photosynthesis, it is made up of two words. One is photo and other is synthesis. Photo, this word means light, and synthesis means किसी चीज़ की प्रोडक्शन करना, किसी चीज़ की फॉर्मेशन करना. सो फोटोसिंथेसिस का मीनिंग हुआ कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइट हम लोग किस चीज़ की प्रोडक्शन कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स सी हाउ फोटोसिंथेसिस अकर्स. सी हियर इज द सन. सनलाइट फॉल्स ऑन द green leaves. Green leaves absorb the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Roots absorb water from the soil, and these three things, that is sunlight plus carbon dioxide plus water. CO2 is the formula for the carbon dioxide and H2O is the formula for the water. So these three things combine and form oxygen, which is used by the animals and the human beings, and is the energy. So in photosynthesis, what happens? Sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. These three things combine and forms oxygen and your energy or the food for the plants. Okay, students. Next is how these leaves absorb the carbon dioxide. Okay, student, what happens that if we see a leaf under a microscope is an instrument which is helpful to see the bigger image of a leaf. If we want to see this portion, if this is a leaf and if we want to see this portion of a leaf in a enlarged view, like zoom करके देखना, that is done with the help of a microscope. So we can see that there are small pores present on the leaves. They are called as stomata. So the small pores or the holes present on the leaves are called as the stomata. And what is the role of these stomata? They help in exchange of gases. ये जो gases यहाँ पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एब्जॉर्ब की और यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन रिलीज की, that is done with the help of these stomata. Okay, students, and there is one more role of the stomata. We know that the water absorbed by the plants with the help of roots. We see, let's take an example that plant only use 2% of the water absorbed by the plants. Let's take an example. If a plant absorb a bucket of water in a day, so it can only use a cup of water. So where the other water goes? So students, अगर हम बात करें कि प्लांट ने एक बकेट वाटर जो है वो अब्जॉर्ब किया है, लेकिन वो एक कप ही उसका यूज़ कर पाता है, तो बाकी पानी कहाँ जाता है? So that should be removed from the plant. So that is also done with the help of these leaves or the stomata. Okay, students. So extra water from the plant is also removed with the help of leaves. So students, what is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants prepare their own food. Okay, students. So now here are the insectivorous plants. We all know that there are some plants which feed on the insects, which trap the insects in between their leaves, sometime in between their flowers. So these plants are called as insectivorous plants. We simply say that the plants which eats the insects. Here are the examples: the pitcher plant and the Venus flytrap. So what happens? For what purpose they become insectivorous? To get the extra nourishment from these insects. Okay, because insects, they rich in the nitrogen, so for getting extra nitrogen from the insects, these plants, they trap the insects. I also link one video of insectivorous plant in the list. So okay, students, today we have discussed what is photosynthesis, and what are the insectivorous plants. Tomorrow we will discuss reproduction in the plants.